Mmm. Mmm. No one's gonna think that this is made out of instant ramen noodles. It's so delicious. Do you love eating instant ramen noodles, but not so much the hot broth and steamy noodles during the hot summer months? Well, today I'm going to show you how to turn your instant ramen noodles, Korean Shin Ramyeon, into this delicious cold ramen noodle dish dressed in finger-licking good sauce and tossed with fresh vegetables and protein. This cold ramen dish is so delicious and gourmet tasting that no one will think that it was made with instant ramen. 오늘의 레시피, 시원하고 아주 맛있는 비빔 냉라면 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. Add 3 cups of water and bring it to boil. Once the water is boiling, we're going to open our Shin Ramyeon. We're just going to take out the noodles, put it in here, and then this, put aside. Make sure to move this around and let this cook on high heat for 2 minutes. There's some leftover crumbs, so what you do is you put it right here and then you eat it. And then about a minute later, just break up the noodles like that. So it's been 2 minutes and your noodles are ready. So what we're gonna do is turn off the heat and quickly transfer this into our ice bath. A fine mesh ladle is so handy for so many things in the kitchen. And then mix this around for about good 5 seconds. Pour it into a strainer and just shake it around like this. And with the ice cubes remaining, put it in our bowl like that and let it hang out while we get the marinade ready. So here is our powder packet, and then we're gonna put it in here. And to this, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of hot water. This is just to melt our broth powder packet, and then we're gonna mix this. Now this is really salty and strong. Look at that. And for this dry, dehydrated vegetable packet, we're not gonna use it. Instead, we're gonna use a scallion, green onion. We're gonna cut our scallion in half, cut it again, and then we're just gonna mince it finely. And we're gonna pick everything up, and then we're gonna put it in our mixing bowl. And to this, we're gonna add half a tablespoon of all-purpose soy sauce and half teaspoon of brown rice vinegar, or any white vinegar will do. And then we're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of brown sugar. And to this, we're gonna add half a tablespoon of our instant ramen powder broth mix. And then we're just gonna go in and mix everything up like that. And then we're gonna have a quick taste test. The instant broth powder packet mix that we made, oh my god, it's spicy, but in such a good way. Just taking over my mouth. And then we add a little bit of that vinegar, so it adds a little tang to it. So good. And here is our cold instant ramen noodles. If some of the ice cubes get in there, it's fine. And then we're just gonna toss it and make sure the seasoning gets absorbed into our noodles like that. So for my ramen lovers, make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper, click on that playlist tab and scroll down and you'll see a playlist for instant ramen hacks recipes. So check it out. These are optional ingredients that we're gonna add to our cold instant ramen noodles. I have 1 slice of Canadian bacon. We're gonna split it down the middle, stack it, and then cut into thin strips like that. And we're gonna put it on our noodles. I have 3 romaine lettuce leaves. I'm gonna cut the end off, and then I'm gonna roll up my leaves like so, and then just cut into thin strips. Pick everything up and put it in our bowl. I have 4 cherry tomatoes. We're just gonna cut it down the middle. Pick them all up, and then add it to our bowl. And some black pepper. 1 small pinch is good. And then we're gonna add some sesame oil, about half a tablespoon, and some sesame seed salt. Gesogum. This is sesame seeds crushed with salt. And then we're just gonna mix everything. Ooh, it smells so good. So let's have a quick taste test. For me, the amount of saltiness and the seasoning is perfect. But if you like your ramen noodles to taste a little bit more spicy, a little bit more salty, then definitely add a little bit more of the instant broth packet powder mix that we made right here. Bon appetit, everyone. So yummy. You have to get the cherry tomatoes and the Canadian ham and the lettuce and all together in one bite. No one's gonna think that this is made as instant ramen noodles. It's so delicious. All right, now you always have to go in and get a piece of kimchi. I mean, when you eat Korean ramyeon, I mean, you have to have kimchi with it. Bon appetit again. Having it with a piece of kimchi just made it like super duper good. That's all I can say. Wait, don't go anywhere. Make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper and check out my library of Korean recipes so that you and I can make more delicious Korean foods together. So I will see you there. I want to thank you so much for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's ramyun recipe, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and subscribe if you did not subscribe yet. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 꼭 눌러주세요. 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.